This is a repair attempt for Mr. Neil's house at, for Neil Walia's house at 6000 Sunset Ridge Court, Centerville, Virginia.
Agreed upon wind damage shingle by Allstate. Alright, shingle ends right here. 1, 2, 3. Because it's a 3-tab. Already tore through. Tore through the shingle here already. No good. This shingle above it needs to be replaced now. Got a little bit of mat transfer, not crazy, but most of that one was already up. Same down here. A little bit here. Shingle tore through here.
Should I look under?
Yeah, right here, as you can see.
I can't really see the
Shingle tore through, so this shingle above it's going to need to be replaced. So far we have, it's hard to see in the video, but there's creases. It's a dark shingle. Let me grab the new shingle. Lined up. Using a roof snake to install. No, it's silly.
that video.
Yeah, you can zoom in on it so they can see. It's hard to see in the freaking.
Yeah, I can see it.
Roof snake almost makes it worse. One, two, three. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. So as you can see here, all these granules loose. There's a crack here. These are all loose granules. I'm just lightly brushing them off, as you can see, because the wind would blow it away. Entire crease here coming across. It's very loose. These shingles as well. All these loose granules. So in my opinion, this repair fails, because also due to this hole here ripped through the shingle, whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and fail this, and we'll send in the report. Okay, we'll see.